Bollywood actors Shreyas Talpade and Alok Nath have been named in a cheating and breach of trust case registered in Haryana's Sonipat district. The FIR, filed on 22 January, accuses both actors, along with 11 others, in connection with a scam involving a cooperative society. The case centers around the Human Welfare Credit Cooperative Society, which is registered under the Multi-State Cooperative Society Act. This society, based in Indore, has been active in several states, including Haryana, since 2016. The complaint was filed by Sonipat resident Vipul Antil, who claims that the society deceived people by encouraging them to invest money, only to cheat them through fraudulent property transactions. In the FIR, Talpade and Nath are listed among the 13 accused, facing charges related to criminal breach of trust and cheating. According to police sources, the names of the two actors were mentioned by the complainant in his statement. While the main focus of the investigation is the society, police will also look into what role, if any, the actors played in the alleged scam. Authorities are continuing their investigation to uncover the details of the case, and they are examining whether the actors had any direct involvement in the fraudulent activities or if they were somehow misled by the society. The complaint suggests that the society used deceptive means to lure individuals into their investment schemes, which led to financial losses for many victims. As the investigation progresses, the police are expected to clarify the involvement of Shreyas Talpade and Alok Nath in the case. The two actors have not yet publicly responded to the allegations. This case is still unfolding, and more updates will likely emerge as the authorities continue their probe into the alleged scam.